It's a revolution. It's a revolution.
Ron. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel today.
Oh yeah, shout out to Kid and Iceman. Gucci. Yeah, they rap, they're rappers. They are Drake. Or shout out.
I'm about to die! Oh, shit.
Oh, come on, Billy.
Man, you're about to get roasted.
Come on, Billy, gotta go ride my horse. Oh, I'm about to cross you up. What's my sensitivity on, dude?
Oh, frick!
It's on max.
Oh, frick! Oh, I went on like a knifing rampage. Nice.
I'm about to you up. What? I got an upbeat unlocked. Yo.
You captured zone B.
I'm about to cross it up.
I'm like killing people
I'm the
when I
best
die
in
like
so
right
long.
after. Oh yeah.
Did I kill him?
Zone B lost.
Did I gotta kill him? I'm so confused. I haven't played Destiny in such a long time. I'm so used to playing Call of Duty. Well, not Call of Duty, like GTA
Oh
and all
frick!
that.
I got a triple.
Dude, we're pulling up on their hairline.
Oh, what the hell? There's a modder. There's a modder.
Yo, I gotta upgrade. Oh. Yes, I got my.
What is my sensitivity on? I have like no aim, bro.
Like I have pretty Gucci sensitivity with like pretty game. It lack of speed. Oh. If I get 49 more scout rifle kills, I get a lot of XP, which I don't need anymore. I get some, what's it called, Glimmer, and then I also get a legendary weapon. So like, I just got rid of my hairline.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, that guy just got a quad. What the, oh my god. What's my secondary, dude? Whatever that is, geez, I'm gonna pull right up on it.
Just gonna like pull up in their block and start taking their like flag.
Oh, that's my shotgun. Yup, I'm about to get quad view. Doesn't it let me?
Oh my god, mate.
This sensitivity is so slow. Noob tubes in GTA. I'm using my scout rifle. I really want to use my scout rifle. Fast.
Like, okay, like, hey.
And oh, they're about to pull up right on the hairline.
Oh. Is that really necessary? How? Please tell me how that even happened.
Oh, dude, I just pull right up on him. This guy thinks he's lit. Not even a stick. Dude, I was starting to go off, to be honest.
Oh!
I was like, yeah. Low key, Maggie. I like how when you kill someone, it says like killed so and so. I really like that new effect. I mean, bleeding fast. It's really. Really? I can't read.
How does that even work?
This guy, no, this fire wind just Stop!
Zone B lost.
No, come on. Flank B. Flank B mid.
Hey, as long as you're winning.
Oh, team!
Zone B.
Just stop, cuz.
Zone A lost.
Oh, gotta hurry up. You're about to pull up.
Zone B secure. Zone C captured.
Oh, he just roasted right on me for my hairline. Yeah, we're already about to win. Precautions. Eat.
Waiting.
I see some silent killers. Not killers, Maybe just for like.
Can this not kill him? Bro! Come on! Dude, Blade Dance used to character, now it just like spins in place.
Your victory, the city hope guardians.
Well, I got 10
Oh,
victory marks.
roasting on their hairline. Dude, yes, dude, we just pulled. Come on, skirt.
Oh.
Activity rewards. Let's see what we got. About to get the legendary. Bet.
Oh, I got
Oh, I
legendary.
got the legendary! I was. Yo! Whipping
Oh, the
Nene!
sniper rifle. What'd you get? Pulse rifle, freaking. Boy.
Yeah, dude. Woo! Pulse rifle. Stronger than the gun I used. Strange coins for Zer. Oh, that's pretty lit. Dude, this is like a lucky game, dude, to be honest. We got like 10 legendary marks, a bunch of random stuff. Yeah! Alright.
Okay. Well, hopefully you guys like, subscribe, and as always, I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below if you want me to make any other videos, and yeah.